back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be testing out KARINA Garcia's new bath bomb kit that came out at Target like 2 weeks ago. I'm really excited because she's my friend and I'm like super hyped because it's a new bath bomb kit that she released. I've tested out her slime kit before. If you guys want to go see it, then I'll leave it right here somewhere, right here in the eye, so you guys can just click it and see the other video. This video is part of a collab with my friend Peter Bread. He's gonna be doing miniature slimes in his channel, so go ahead and check him out down below in the description box. I'll leave everything down below. So if you're new to my channel, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel down below by just clicking that subscribe button. And if you don't want to miss any other videos like this, go ahead and turn on my post notifications, just clicking that bell icon so you won't miss another video like this. Let's see if we can get this video to 400 likes in the first day, so I know we can do it. So yeah, let's get started. So here's the packaging for the bath bomb kit. It's like the slime kit, but this one is like a darker color, and you can see how she's holding bath bombs instead of slime. And this one is actually the sleepover collection, and there's two kits to this collection. There's, I think, the lip gloss kit and the bath bomb kit. So on the side, it includes a picture of her, and it says, "My company Craft City believes that crafting should not just be fun. Your creation should be on your own terms. I believe everyone is born to create, so go for it." So the first thing I pulled out in the kit is the little bath bomb molds. It comes with two of the sphere or the circle molds, and it's really nice because they include this. As usual, it comes with like the little Ziploc baggie that says what's included in the thing. So let's get opening. So the first thing I pull out is half of the bear mold. Let's see if the other half's in here. So yeah, here's the other half, and there should be another part, I think. Yeah, it's right here. So here's the bear mold. I think I put it in wrong. So yeah, here it is. So this is for the bear bath bomb, and it's really cute. So the next thing I pull out are the fragrance oils, and it comes with the lavender and jasmine scent. It's really nice. It comes with like little fragrances. The instruction manual, and it's really colorful. Some like bath bomb kits don't come with like colorful instruction manuals, and it's really nice. The baking soda, and they actually give you so much baking soda, you guys. Look how big this pack is, and it's like almost filled to the top. It's a spoon, like a tablespoon. And I think this is like to measure all your ingredients. It's really cool that it includes that. A lot of things like you need. The bath bomb kit is these little gems, the hidden treasures. It comes with 15 pieces, and they're actually super nice, you guys. So the next thing is the 6 water tablets. It's the coloring, so you can color your bath bombs, and it's super nice. Starch, and this is actually really cool to play with in the bag. I don't know if you guys like playing with cornstarch with your hands, but it's really satisfying. Sea salt. You need sea salt for bath bombs, and it comes with a lot, you guys. And then it comes with the citric acid. This is the thing that makes the bath bombs fizz up when they're in the water. So here I have all my ingredients. I have my water. I have my oil. I'm using olive oil because I want mine to moisturize my hands, but you can use any other oil. And my little container. So let's get started. So the first thing it says to do is to add 3 tablespoons of baking soda, and I'm trying to be careful and do the exact same ingredients. So that's like a tablespoon. And then it says to add 1.5 tablespoons of cornstarch. So I'm just gonna add that right now. That's 1 tablespoon, and then I put the half tablespoon. So that's 1.5 tablespoons. And then it says to add another 1.5 tablespoons of sea salt. So let's do that right now. So that's 1 tablespoon, and that's half a tablespoon. So this actually comes with like little perforated, it comes with like how much is a tablespoon and how much is a half a tablespoon. So that's really cool. And then lastly, it says to add 1.5 tablespoons of citric acid. So that's the thing that's gonna make them fizz up. So I added like 2 tablespoons, and then it says to mix together. So I'm gonna mix that together really good. So now let's just put that to the side, and now let's work on the wet ingredients. So for the wet ingredients, all you will need is a color tablet, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, and 1 teaspoon of water, and 20 to 40 drops of scent. So let's do that right now. So now that I've added all the ingredients of like the wet ingredients, I'm now gonna mix it all together until the little tablet is dissolved. So I decided to put a red one just because I wanted to like actually show. So yeah, let's just mix it. So I'm just gonna leave this to the side and let it dissolve by its own and just like wait for like 5 to 10 minutes. So now that the tablet has dissolved, I'm now gonna start adding the wet ingredient to the dry ingredient slowly. So Karina said in her video that this is supposed to feel like wet sand, like not like super wet but like damp enough to like hold its shape. So that's what I'm gonna do. So here's the wet ingredient, or the wet like sand it's supposed to be like. It feels really wet and not like that wet, but like it feels like wet sand. So you can, this is what I like about these kits, is that you can add whatever you have at home. You can add like extra stuff, you can add like glitters, you can add so much. So I'm like gonna add these glitters that I bought at Target. So here's how much I'm gonna add. So that's good. So I just wanted to like when the water, like when it dissolves in the water, it looks so nice. So I'm just gonna mix it a little more time. So now I'm just gonna fill it. So let's just start filling it, you guys. So I'm gonna compact it down just because I wanna get like extra stuff in there. So just start filling it and like filling it. You're gonna have to overflow it, so just keep that in mind. So I'm gonna keep that like that, and you can also go in with your hands if you need to. Don't be scared to get messy because it's, you know, it's a DIY. You have to get messy in DIYs. So I forgot to add some gems, so I'm probably gonna add, and the good thing about this kit is look how many gems come with this, you guys. Look how cute these are. Well, you guys can't see. Look, I'm gonna add all the pink ones. Oh no, I'm gonna add a blue one. So yeah. So this is gonna go right here. So like that. And then just fill it. So now it says to like combine them together, so that's what I'm gonna do. So here's the first bath bomb. It came out really good and I really like it because it has so many glitters. So let's test it out. I left this out for over 2 hours and it broke a little from the sides, but it's okay, it's still holding together. And let's see how it looks. Look at all the glitters. Can you guys see the glitters? There's so many glitters and I'm really liking this. Look how colorful it is. Super cute. I really love this kit, you guys. I made a green one, so here it is. Oh, I'm scared because, oh no, first I'm gonna add this white one I made because I don't want it to like ruin this ugly color with green. So here we go. Shook. Look at all the glitters popping up. So here's the last one I made. It's this green one with pink and it has a little green or blue gem and I'm super shook. Let's get started. Shook. Look how nice it looks. You can drop it on your hands and it's super nice because of the oil. Let's just add the extra powder. And it smells super nice. The colors are so vibrant. You can see the blue right there. I added blue. And I'm honestly just shook, you guys. Super nice. So I really recommend this kit. If you guys want to buy it, I'll leave the link down below in the description box. And yeah. And that's basically it for this video, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. And if you did like the video, then go ahead and like, share, and subscribe. So remember to go follow my friend Peter Bread on his channel. I'll leave everything down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.